How to get void check in Simplii Financial. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to get void check in Simplii Financial. In that case, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in simplii.com, and that's going to take you to the of your web page. So right on this page, go ahead and tap the sign on button and then log in into your account by entering your credential. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page, go ahead and select the account details option, select order checks. When you do that, from there you will be able to see that option that says get void check or direct deposit info, and then go ahead and click the link, ensure that the information is correct, and select the printed form as well, and then enter in all of the information that has been asked, and accordingly you'll be able to get your void check in Simplii Financial. So that is how you can get void check in Simplii Financial. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.